Introduce yourself by your names. We'll introduce today, okay? We'll introduce.
Good evening.
Good evening, dears. Tell me. See, okay, wait. One by one. One by one.
Okay.
Zakia, I think some name is coming. Zakia? Zakia?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from? Wait na, dears. One by one. One by one can speak. One by one. So all are from Vanyambadi.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Some may from Ambur. Some are from Ambur.
Ma'am, let us have an introduction session first, ma'am.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do want the introduction from you. But one by one.
School name and town.
School name बताइए. Say your school name. From which school you came? Hello? From which school you came? Yeah? Okay, I'll ask one by one with the names here, okay? Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ilyas Hadri. Which school? Name your. What is your name?
It's break.
You are breaking, dear. You are breaking. Everybody is speaking.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Even I can't hear you.
It's breaking.
Say, mute yourself. Mute. Mute it. Everybody mute. Speaker off कीजिए. Speaker off करो. Mute yourself. Okay. When I ask, only that guy unmute and say in your introduction and then mute. Ejaz, Gulnaz, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute Ejaz Gulnaz. Sneha. Sneha. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Zakia.
Yeah, ma'am.
Zakia.
I can hear you.
Right? Zakia, yeah, say something is there. Yeah? Don't say everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking Zakia. Where are you from, Zakia?
Hello?
Hello? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm not Zakia, ma'am. I'm Neha Anjum. That's my mom's name.
Yeah, how can I know, dear? I'm seeing that name here, na?
Ma'am, my name is Neha Anjum.
So your name is Neha?
I'm from Tirupatur, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now, let others speak. Fauzan,
Yeah,
Alam.
ma'am.
Fauzan,
Neha
Alam.
Anjum. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Where are you from? What's your name?
I'm from Vanebadi, ma'am, and my name is Nubi Anis.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you. What's your name?
I'm from Vanebadi, ma'am.
Okay.
Nubi Anis.
Ruby.
Nubi.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you're from Vanyambadi. Islamia
ma'am.
Girls School? You're from
Yes, ma'am.
Islamia Girls?
Islamia, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
dear.
ma'am.
Okay, dear. Welcome. And then
Hello,
Ramesh.
assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Your name?
Shazia Sadaf, ma'am.
Okay, you're from?
Vanebadi.
Okay, from Islamia Girls. Huh? From Islamia Girls School. You're from?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Kulsum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you? You are from which
I'm
school?
fine, ma'am.
You are from which school?
Islamia school, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Welcome, welcome. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, dear.
Assalamualaikum,
So now, which subject I'm coming to you? Oh, shall I clear you that now? For the allied subject. See, you are having language, as HOD ma'am told you in the morning itself. You are having foundation. You are having language as Urdu as well as Tamil. And then two majors you are facing. One major is advanced grammar and one is British literature or Indian writing in English, I think. And
Ma'am,
the next
please
comes
speak little louder, ma'am.
the next comes the allied part. So allied, literary forms and terms. Okay, for that subject,
Okay, ma'am.
for the allied subject, literary forms and terms, I am going to handle you. Okay, for the allied subject, I am going to come. Okay, I am going to handle allied, that is literary forms and terms. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, literary forms and terms. I'll message you in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Literary then say something about you. Say something about yourself. What makes
Can
you
you
to
hear my voice,
join
ma'am?
this course?
Ma'am, can you hear my
Everybody is interested.
voice?
Everybody is interested in BA literature. Everybody is interested in BA literature. Yeah. Everybody is interested in British literature. Sorry, in BA literature. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hearing, ma'am.
Yeah, did you hear me? Did you hear
Yeah,
me?
ma'am. Little sound comes now, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is so much of disturbance.
Yeah, so much of disturbance because who wants to speak can unmute. Who don't want to speak can mute their audio. Then it will be less disturbance for us. Yeah? Who wants
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
speak to me, unmute yourself. Who want to speak afterwards, mute yourself. So one by one can speak. If you cooperate, then our meeting will end in a good way. Yeah?
Ma'am, may I introduce myself,
Yeah,
ma'am?
definitely.
Can you hear, ma'am?
Definitely.
Yeah, ma'am.
You can talk. This is
Ma'am,
our
My
introduction
name is
only.
Rida Mahvish, ma'am. Vaniambadi, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So nice to see you all.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not
Can I
seeing
mute
you, so
myself,
nice
ma'am?
to hear you all. Yeah, so nice to hear you all. I'm not seeing you. Inshallah, we'll meet you on 11th, right? 11th is the date when you all going to come to college,
Inshallah.
right? On 11th, right?
You are saying September 11, ma'am?
Yeah, September 11th, you're going to come. There, inshallah, we'll meet you. And
Yeah, ma'am.
then,
Inshallah, ma'am.
yeah,
Inshallah.
definitely. So, what is a small introduction about your BA literature? What is BA literature in English? What do you have any idea what you will study in this literature? I think
Hello, ma'am.
Wait, dear. Ramesh Kumar, mute yourself. Ramesh Kumar, mute yourself. Some kid is shouting at the back and it's really disturbing, dear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Ramesh Kumar. Please mute. Okay. So, what is now be a literature? So, you come to college. The basic thing is, did you hear me now, dears? Did you hear
Yeah,
me?
ma'am. We are
Okay,
hearing
okay.
you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Only one can answer. It's more than enough for me. Okay, okay. Mute, mute. So, you came to college, right? Now you are going to study everything in online. So basically you should have a correct network for you, and then you should follow all the rules and regulations of the college. You should obey the staffs first. Whatever the works was given to you, you have to complete that work on time. Yes, dears? Did
Okay,
you hear
ma'am.
me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
We will,
definitely.
ma'am.
See, why you came to college? Now you people are a grown up now. Yeah, you're not a children now, and you're not a kid now. You have to develop your values. See, again, this Ramesh Kumar is disturbing, I think. Dear, name yourself. Name who?
Hello, assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Tabassum, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine, ma'am. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm too fine. But running this online classes like what to say, one face is there and one face is here. In between, a wall is there. Google Meet wall, right? a big wall of Google
You
Meet
irritate.
in between us, so that we can hear but we can't see, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Now it's little bit fine.
Sorry
Na?
for almost.
Everybody is audible. Some disturbance. No disturbance now. I think you hear me and I too hear you properly, I think.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So you came to college. So what I said, you have to obey your teachers. You have to follow all the rules and regulations of the college. And one more thing, you have to give value to your education part. Yeah? Did you get me?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. The main thing, the aim, the ambition for you is you have to give value to your education, develop your personality. How you can develop your personality? Any idea? Any idea?
Ma'am, Ramesh Kumar is disturbing, ma'am.
Any idea you have? How one can develop?
Breaking, ma'am.
How one can develop their personality? A general thing, yeah. No need to worry. If you know, you can answer. If you don't know, it's okay, no issues. Because we are running an intro part, just basic understanding between us. Because if we are in the college, we are face to face, so we can see, we can talk everything. So because of this Google Meet, only we can hear. So it's a half intro, right? It's a half
Okay,
intro
ma'am.
for
Okay,
us.
ma'am, can you ask again question, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
Yes.
Again.
I think Rida,
Can you ask the question again, ma'am?
yeah.
How can you develop your personality?
Yeah, how can you develop your personality? A basic
There is
thing.
so much of disturbances.
Yeah, it's disturbance only, but you can answer in this disturbance also. Answer.
In common way, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a common say. A general thing, yeah. Just I'm asking to
We
run
have
the
a
time,
discussion,
that's all.
Ma'am,
Yeah, say
by
it.
having discipline, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, we
one
are
by
ma'am.
one, na. Yeah.
We are a good clothes.
Hmm. Yeah. Say,
We
say.
wear good clothes.
Hmm. Good.
Clothes is the one of the
Hmm.
personality in our life, no, ma'am. To develop personality is also
What is important? Pardon?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
wearing
think
good
to
clothes.
have this.
Wait, Fauzan, wait. Let Rida speak. Say Rida.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, to get wearing good clothes, like in good way.
Mm,
It is
yeah.
also developing personality. Dresses is one of the developing personality, no ma'am. Dressing code,
Yeah, dressing code.
then discipline,
Yeah, dressing
then
code.
discipline,
Yeah,
then
definitely.
our way of speaking.
Yes, the way of speaking is the first thing which makes you to develop your personality in a good way. So the manners
Yes,
which you
ma'am.
learned, which we are going to which has been implemented on you in the college, you're going to explore it out. Yeah, जो हमने
Yeah,
मैनर्स मिले हैं वो मैनर्स जो हमारे अंदर हैं उस मैनर्स को बाहर निकालना है
yeah,
कॉलेज में आकर, राइट? कॉलेज में कैसे
yeah, ma'am.
निकालेंगे? हाउ यू वैल्यू योर एजुकेशन? यू हैव टू वैल्यू योर एजुकेशन ना. The basic thing
Yeah,
is,
ma'am.
dear, communication
It is,
part.
uh,
The way you develop your communication, the way you develop your personality. Yeah, agreed? Ramesh Kumar, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Ramesh Kumar, mute yourself. I think she has sit
Yeah,
in
ma'am,
that place where there is a lots and lots of disturbance. Ramesh Kumar, kindly change
Sorry.
your place and sit. Okay, dears. So you accept my words? You accept my view of
Yeah.
developing personality?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
basic thing is the way you communicate, the way you behave, the way you obey your elders, the way you obey your teachers, develop your personality there in the college. Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
there you
Yeah,
have to
ma'am.
Yeah,
value
ma'am.
your education part. Allah, मैं क्या करूँ इनका? She is not at all obeying me. See, now itself she started. Name yourself. Ramesh Kumar, name yourself. Who are you? Rabba mere. Ramesh Kumar, mute yourself, dear. Please.
Ma'am?
What's your
Ma'am,
name?
my name is Sadhana, ma'am. I'm coming from Vanebadi, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Dear, I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
you have
Thank you,
sit
ma'am.
in such a place that it disturbs a lot. Some kid is shouting.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So mute yourself. Mute it. If
Okay,
you
ma'am.
want to speak, you unmute and speak to me. Then Abrar Asrar, somebody came, I think a new guy.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, dear. Your name?
My name is Taslim, ma'am.
Taslim. Okay. You are from?
Vanebadi, ma'am.
Okay. Which school you came, dear?
Islamia Girls Higher Secondary
Islamia
School, ma'am.
Girls. Okay. And then say something about yourself. So today we are not going to see anything about the subject part. A general thing, that is how to develop your personality. Say something, Taslim, how you develop your personality. Any one point? Rida said, and one more, I don't remember that person name. I think
Can
Tabas.
I say, ma'am?
Yeah, say, dear.
My way was neatness and discipline was make a person personality, ma'am.
That is in our religion also. Paki and Safai is Ada Iman, right? Yeah,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is also one part. Yes, definitely. So the whole thing, that is the way we speak, the way we behave, the way we obey our elders, the way we follow the right path in our life, develops our personality. Finally, then the people can say that we are a good person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
मैम सुने मैम
सुनने
बराबर
चाहता नहीं. So you
हाँ या
sit
मैम
in
ब्रेक
some place.
वॉइस
See, today I think a very poor network. First, very poor network. So we can't help the network. Wait, dear.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम
What is the current आ गया. Wait, I'll come. I'll go into one room where be nobody disturbed us. Bye.
also
Okay. I'll hear him here.
yes ma'am
Okay. So basically, you say me something about the communication, the general thing, what you learned in your English, how many poets you know. We'll discuss. Are you ready?
someone is disturbing ma'am
Only this Ramesh Kumar is disturbing us. I don't know. Sadhana, right? Sadhana. Your name is Sadhana?
yeah ma'am
Sadhana, you mute yourself, dear.
mute off your
நீங்க பேசுறப்போ ஆன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிற பிளேஸ் வந்து டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருக்குது அங்கே. ஓகேவா? அது வந்து ரொம்ப டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணுது. Say.
hello
Say. So what do you know about the communication? Walaikum assalam. What is communication? And okay, leave it about this communication and all. How many poets you know? Say. How many poets you know? You read English? Yeah, you have one subject in English.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
are from English medium? All are from English
No,
medium?
ma'am.
yes ma'am
Huh? Okay. Then
Yeah,
say
ma'am.
me, what do you know about literature? Any idea? A single idea? What is literature? What is literature? Some new one came. Ruteba Samra went off. Say dears, this is interaction class only na. How many poets you know?
ma'am Rudyard Kipling
Yeah? Say. You can talk.
Rudyard Kipling
Rudyard Kipling, yes, very good. And
Oscar Wilde
yeah, Oscar Wilde.
Oscar Wilde
Ah, right. Very good. And see, if you say the poet name na, I'll say you the I relate that poet name into our subject. Then you will have a clear idea what we are going to study in this subject. Okay?
okay ma'am
Okay. You said Rudyard Kipling and huh?
J.K. Rowling
JK?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
J.K. Rowling
JK Rowling. JK Rowling. Oh. Okay, right. Rudyard Kipling. And what you said? Oscar Wilde, right? Oscar Wilde.
Oscar Wilde
Ah, okay. And then JK Rowling. And then
J.K. Rowling
and see, I'm expecting you one name. It's a game, okay?
George
It's a
Orwell,
game.
ma'am.
I'm expecting you a name of a poet, very, very important poet in literature, but you're not telling to me. Name that poet. Let's see who is going to reply. 10 seconds.
William Shakespeare.
Yes, very good. Who is there? Who is this? Rida?
So, ma'am.
Who said?
Rida Mahesh, ma'am.
Who said?
I am ma'am. Bas,
Huh? Tabassum. Very good, Tabassum. Clap. Everybody
Thank you,
clap
ma'am.
to Tabassum. Very good, very good. So, whenever we speak about, whenever we talk about, whenever we came across the literature part, the first name is Shakespeare, right?
William Shakespeare.
Yeah, विलियम शेक्सपियर, रुडियार्ड किपलिंग आ गए, ऑस्कर वाइल्ड आ गए, रोलिंग आ गए. इवन आई डोंट नो हु इज दिस रोलिंग फर्स्ट रियली, बट शेक्सपियर नहीं आए.
There is
कैसे
so
नहीं
much
आए?
of disturbance create, ma'am.
Disturbance is साधना.
Everyone is creating so much disturbance, ma'am.
साधना, mute yourself, साधना, please dear. Ah,
Done.
now it's okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now it's
Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
Sadhana left, I think. She got angry, I think. What to do? What to do? See, it's really a very, very disturbance, which I can't. One guy is disturbing the whole meeting. So why can't they mute themselves?
Camera.
Hmm.
In fact, we
Okay, and then Shakespeare. Okay,
George Orwell.
and then yeah.
George Orwell.
George Orwell, very great poet. George Orwell.
Kristen
And then
Barrett. Krishna Barrett.
yeah. ऐसे ऐसे नाम बोलते जो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है. वाओ, ग्रेट यू आर. क्या नाम है वो?
Christina Barna something, ma'am. I don't remember properly.
If you don't remember, don't say.
No, ma'am.
सीधे बोलो.
Okay, ma'am.
एक नाम बोलो जो
William
सबको समझ में आए.
Allingham,
या रिदा?
Yeah, ma'am. William Allingham, ma'am.
क्या? विलियम अलिंगमा?
Yeah, ma'am.
Really, I don't know. And then, see, say that name, which I
Ma'am,
can also
next
know.
one.
Yeah.
Thomas Edward Brown, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Thomas
Ma'am,
Edward.
Jan Martel. Jan Martel.
Hmm. Then, how many?
John Bartlett,
One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6 names you said. Okay. 2 more. 2 more.
Ma'am, William Blake.
Very good. William Blake. Very,
Shakespeare,
very
ma'am.
important person in the literary field. One more. Only one.
Oh.
Only one.
Ma'am, Robert Frost.
Very
Robert Frost.
Very good. Robert Frost.
Robert Frost.
Okay. So, you said 8 poet as well as their writers.
Graham Bruchel, ma'am.
Yeah?
Graham Bruchel, ma'am.
I'm not hearing you, dear. I'm not hearing you.
Ma'am, Graham Bruchel, ma'am.
Graham?
Graham Bruchel.
Really, it's not audible to me and think you're not pronouncing well. Let it be. Leave it, leave it. So, you
Alfred
people
Tennyson,
said,
ma'am.
okay, see, listen to me now. You people said many names,
ma'am.
8 names. So, you know there are the writers. They are writers. They wrote many works, many poems, many dramas, many novels, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, you agreed?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So, how it relates to our allied subject now? So, it relates in such a way that you are going to read in this allied part literary forms and terms. So, what are all the devices used by these writers in order to make your reading an interesting one? Do you get me? I repeat. So the writers who have given their writings, who have written their many poems, many novels, many dramas. So without a kind of influence, nobody can write. Do you agree?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
We agree.
Yes. See, I'll explain you in a simple way. We are building a home. We are building one new home, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
We are building one new home. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
a new house for us. So, for that, what are the things we are using? What are the materials we are using?
Cement.
Yeah,
We used to build our house in bricks, cement.
yeah. That and all materials, right? This
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
all are materials which we use to build our home, build our house, right?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
So the same thing what you're going to study in Allied is the literary devices and forms as a materials which the writers, the poets used to build their studies, build their works.
Okay, ma'am.
So without using that devices, nobody can, a poet cannot complete his work or her work. So there are many
Yeah.
women writers. Did you get me, dears? What is literary devices first? So without the devices, nothing can be construct. So as I said, एक घर बनने के लिए, एक घर जब हम लोग बनते हैं तो उसके लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें ज़रूरत पड़ते हैं, right? सो द
Yeah,
सेम
ma'am.
थिंग
Sure, ma'am.
एक पोएट के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना है. जैसे यू हैव रेड मेनी थिंग इन दी उर्दू ऑल्सो, एक शायर के बारे में पढ़े रहेंगे ना. इवन इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस जैसे सिमिलीज, मेटाफॉर्स. डिड यू केम अक्रॉस
Yeah,
दैट?
ma'am. Alliteration.
Yes,
Like
that
that,
is this. That there are the literary devices where you, if you read a poem, you can understand what is sonnet. A sonnet consists of 16 lines. So when you see that poem, when you read that poem, you can able to guess that the poem has 16 lines and definitely it is a sonnet. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the basic thing you're going to read in your allied subject, and nothing is difficult here. What are the writers have given their views regarding that literary terms and literary devices and how they have been used to make your reading a successful one. Something you get? Something? कुछ समझ में आया?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. We can hear.
जरा समझ में आया?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the small thing. This is the thing which you are going to read in your
time, voice will be get broken.
again broke.
Voice breaks.
Again breaking
So many
voice.
people are speaking at the same time.
Yeah, same time. That is the problem. If we are in the class,
Please unmute yourself.
so okay, dears. So this is the little meet between us. So in this meet, just I want to make myself get intro with you, and I want a little bit understanding between us. So feel free to ask me. Feel free whenever I take class. If you have a single doubt, feel free to ask.
Thank you, ma'am.
Feel free to ask me. No issues.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
can repeat you
Okay, ma'am.
2, 3,
Yeah, ma'am.
4 times also, unless I
Okay,
make
ma'am.
it clear to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So till that, I think we can end our meeting now. Okay. Shall we end our meeting?
Ma'am, when is the college is going to be started, ma'am?
It's on our Almighty Allah's hand.
Not
Till
yet,
that,
ma'am.
we will stay connected here. Till that, what to say? Yeah, it's a pandemic time. We can't say anything. What will happen? Up to December, there is no idea of opening the college. I think from the January we can expect to some extent. So let's pray that our college get reopened soon. Okay.
What about exams, ma'am?
You're
We're
going to
attend
write.
our exams.
See, if the college reopens, you're going to write in the college. If the college will not reopen, then you will be writing in the online. Just till somehow we are connected. Somehow you are getting education. Somehow you are getting prepared for your exams. Okay?
Link first December
Yeah.
Ma'am, can't hear you properly, ma'am.
Yeah, it's really a disturbing. So I think you hear me little bit. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. एक मिनट रहो, मेरे बच्चे शरारत शुरू. हाँ, अच्छा जाको. Okay, dears. Shall we end our meeting? You want something, to discuss with me? Any issues? Anything you want to share with me now? Or else we'll wind up. We'll meet again, inshallah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We'll meet, inshallah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
after I'll complete
Okay,
my
ma'am.
class, if you have any doubt, you put in the comment section that you didn't understood, or you can personally message me. That is my WhatsApp number. It is with you.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you have any
Okay,
doubt, you text me, and definitely we'll have this meeting and I clear your doubts, inshallah. Okay,
ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
dears.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, stay blessed.
ma'am.
See you soon. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, okay, dear.
Inshallah, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.